Hi, in this video I'll show you how to install and test Llama 2 on your own local machine. Here we assume that you have access to GPU. In other words, your system has a GPU. And also to use Llama, we use a pre-trained model from Hugging Face. So Hugging Face has a number of popular language models along with their checkpoints. So you can simply go to this website and download a language model and use it in your code. And we want to do this in Python. So the first thing that we need to do is to create a virtual environment. As you may know better, in Python, to create a virtual environment, you can use this command. Here we assume that the name of the virtual environment is env. And then we can use this, the next command to actually activate that created virtual environment. And after activating that virtual environment, you can install the required packages so that whenever you activate that virtual environment, you can access the installed packages. Next, we need to install the required packages because we want to use Hugging Face, so we need to install some customized packages from Hugging Face. Specifically, we need to install transformers, optimum, and also a package from Hugging Face is called auto GPTQ, for which you need to specify the URL of this package to pip so that pip can install that. And here we assume that you have CUDA 11.8, but if you have other versions, you need to modify this part of the command so that you can install this package. After installing these packages, you can use the simple code to download and test Llama 2 on your own machine. First, we need to import three modules from the transformers package. The first one is AutoModel for causal LM. AutoModel is an abstract class from Hugging Face by which you can actually load a popular language model. And also we have auto tokenizer by which you can actually split a given text into tokens and into smaller parts. And also we have pipeline, which is the standard API class for accessing the Hugging Face models. Then we need to specify the name or the path for Llama 2 because we're using Hugging Face. You can use this address to actually load the 7 billion parameter version of Llama 2. Then we use this abstract class and use this command to actually load this model, this Llama 2 from Hugging Face. And you need to specify some parameters as well. For example, this parameter, this input argument forces the interpreter to actually map the loaded model into GPU or CPU. Depending on whether you have GPU or CPU, this maps your model into GPU or CPU. And then you actually you load the model into this variable. And also to get the default tokenizer from the loaded model, you can use this command to get the tokenizer. After that, you need to create the pipeline, that API. So for the main arguments for this pipeline are the model, which we have loaded into this variable name. And also we need to specify the loaded tokenizer and some other default parameters. And after that, you need to specify an input prompt. For example, tell me about Barack Obama. Then you feed this input prompt to this pipeline, to this API. You call it and you get the response. So here we pass the input prompt to this pipeline and get the output. The output is in form of a tuple. So you access the first tuple. And the first tuple is a dictionary that has a key called generated text. and you can actually get the value of that key from the generated dictionary and print the output response. So this way you can easily use Llama 2 on your own machine without using any server or data center. I hope this video is useful for you.